part of our culture to ask the host.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Oh, it's the big man. Right. Very well, thank you. Well, right. Well, thank you very much for coming, and to thank you very much for all your patience and hard work that you're doing to put together the State Assembly. In Mogadishu?
No.
Gorioli. Oh yes, of course you were in Gorioli. My visit today is to engage with the leadership here and with the elders about the formation of the State Assembly, and to encourage them to complete it as quickly as possible, to complete it with at least 20% of women representation in the Assembly. And we had very good discussions with the elders who are working very hard to achieve that, and with President Sharif Hassan as well.
We had a very quite good meeting, and I hope, and the elders were doing a really great job so far, and we were working last 9 months very hard, and now we are end of the line, and I hope we'll finish in next 2 weeks.
aaminsan insha Allah inaad baarlamaanka intadan baan inaad arag doonto sidii speaker Shirley inaad tasuna tasuna gala la kamara. This one? No, I don't. Bongka lagi dube, kan bongka kiri lagi. Price dah ya. Kan 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ.